Okay, so they're talking over stuff over there, but I'm into the cooking stuff here. And this is the salmon. It's already been skinned, and I'm going to cut this into pieces. This is still fine. Okay, the potatoes are still fine. We're going down now, bit by bit. Fish everything into there. We still have other salmon here too, and we may or may not use it. Depends on what I got here. And this is where the cod went into that. The way I look at it is everything I have everything prepared, and then I'll mix it together, and that's going to be great dinner.
A big what?
For sure. Oh, how's this wine from? Yeah, we still got quite a bit in here, and I don't care about the color of wines. And these, just for historical value, are still here and here, which means we haven't really done much more in London. Not that we don't like the people in London, it's that each individual has their own tolerance. I still got this over here. So, I'm going to work on this next. See you later.